Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy, Marginal Costing. Today we have entered into last problem. Problem is a small difference is there that you need to calculate very carefully. That's all. The rest of the problem is same like previous problems. So I would like to give you some homework also today's problem. Half I'll do, the rest of the half you have to work out. Before going to the session, let me remind you, please check out the playlist. All these videos are free of cost to the students community. Whatever may be the course, definitely maximum syllabus I have covered. Please check out the playlist. Don't forget to share these videos. Now coming to the class, the problem is given like this. Calculate PV ratio, fixed cost, BEP, profit when sales are 46,000, sales when profit is 50,000. Okay. What is given to us? Sales and profit. Sales for the 2015 year, 16 year. Profit for 15 year and 16 year. First 2015 year profit is here minus 2400, means it is loss. Next year profit. Are you getting it? Now first we have to find out the PV ratio. PV ratio, fixed cost, BEP I will show you. And profit when sales are 46,000, you work out. Answer is 800. 800 lost you are going to get. Sales when profit is 5,000, your answer will be 75,000 sales. Okay. When profit is 5,000, your sales will be this much. When sales are 40,000, you get a loss of 800. So both are homework. Work out and see. Now let me work out the rest of the problem. Half problem I will work out. So first thing is that we need to calculate the PV ratio. PV ratio, please be careful, there is a minus value, right? So how do we calculate PV ratio? Solution, PV ratio is equal to change in profit. Change in profit, these two. Generally 3000 minus 2400 we used to do. This is 3000 minus 2400, but value is in minus. So minus into minus comes to plus. So that is why change in profit will be 5400. Please remember this. How do you got? Say 2000 minus 2400 minus 3000. Minus into minus comes to plus. So that is why you got this much. Change in profit by change in sales. This sales. 65,000 minus 38,000. 65,000 minus 38,000. 27,000 into 100. This is in brackets for your understanding I have given. Okay. 540 divided by 27. It is 20%. PV ratio is 20%. A bit you got it. Okay. Next, fixed cost we want to find out. To get a fixed cost, first contribution is equal to maximum sales into PV ratio. So A bit is here, contribution is equal to, what is this? Maximum sales. Maximum sales means 65,000 into PV ratio. PV ratio is 20%. So this is 6,500, 6,000, 13,000. So BBT is here, fixed cost is equal to contribution minus maximum profit. Contribution is here 13,000 minus maximum profit. Maximum profit is 3,000. It is 10,000. 10,000 is the fixed cost. We got PV ratio 20% and fixed cost 10,000. Okay. Now next CBIT. CBIT is here BEP. BEP is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost is 10,000 by PV ratio. PV ratio is 20%. It means 50,000 is the BEP. Next, debit. Profit when sales are this much. What is the formula you use? Sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. Profit when sales are 46,000, what would be the profit? Fixed cost is 10,000. What is the profit? We wanted to find out the profit by PV ratio. PV ratio is 20%. Oh sorry, I have done this problem. You have to work out now. So anyway, calculations you can do. Next answer will be minus 800. Okay. Next, EBIT. Sales when profit is 5,000. When profit is 5,000, sales we wanted to find out. Fixed cost, sales we wanted to find out. So fixed cost is 10,000. When profit is 5,000 plus 5,000 by 20%. The answer will be 75,000. This is your homework calculations. That's all, rest of the problem. Not only this, if you haven't noted anything, the same problem, take it in your notes up to here and try to work out by yourself. By the way, take the screenshot or note down this problem. If you have followed right from the beginning marginal costing, our playlist, it is given in the description box and also in the comment box. Our playlist also you can check it out. Okay. So marginal costing, if you have followed entire chapter, you will not miss even a single mark in the examination. I am sure, because I have covered almost everything. Probably 99% I have covered. Please be thorough, practice well, take out your textbook and practice more times. Fair notes, rough notes, and remembering the formulas. If they ask this, what is the formula? Like, you just have to run your mind, that's it. Simple and easy. Please practice well and don't forget to share these videos. Do like, share and comment. So see you in the next class with another interesting chapter, new chapter. Okay. Stay connected. Have a bright future. Good luck.